At Waltrip High School, the robotics program is buzzing with creativity. In this dynamic space, students are constantly challenged to think outside the box. During our visit, a few students gave us a first-hand look at their robotics creations, and let's just say, these builds were anything but basic.
This is our 2025-2026 VEX Pushback robot. Every year, the company that we do robotics through, VEX, they drop a new video. This year, the game is called Pushback. Your goal is to pick up these little blocks and score them all of these different goals. When you go to competitions, there's 4 robots on the field all at the same time. Okay. You have 1 teammate, so it's 2 teams versus each other. You have to make quick strategies, which are like alliance, so you can score efficiently, play good defense, and win the match and all.
How long does it take to put something like that together?
So I want to say we built this in about a month and a half.
We started during our summer, during around May 16th. We started with the creation and design of our robot. So we designed this completely online in Fusion. And then when we got, during about 2 months into summer, when school's about to start, we created 2 chassis prototypes with the design we had. So we have the one on the field running, and then we have the secondary one, which is a different design that's about to run.
And the fun didn't stop there. I also got to watch as they flew a drone through an obstacle course that they set up right inside the classroom. And all of this is just warm-up. The class and the school are getting ready to host their own robotics challenge. It's all student-led from planning to execution.
So this will be a completely student-designed, student-run. All the invitations, all the marketing, everything will be by students, and they will actually run the day of. They'll be the event planners for the event. They'll be the DJs. They'll be the scorekeepers. They will be the judges and the rule followers and rule keepers. They will do everything from setup to breakdown. It's amazing. So they're getting a real-world experience of everything, every single part of producing and running a robotics competition.
What I love about robotics is just so much more than that. It really is taking that real world applications of what you need to have in order to survive in a workplace. You know, teamwork, camaraderie, communication, troubleshooting, presenting an idea and being able to flush through that brainstorming concept with different design concepts, what that looks like, writing a pro-con checklist of how and which idea is actually the best based on a matrix that the team puts together. So I just love all of that aspect of it.
From coding to competition, these students are proving that innovation isn't just happening in the lab, it's happening at Waltrip.